Hey, what's up, guys? Paco here, and welcome back to a new episode of Trading with Paco. Today, we will analyze a trading method as I promised in my last video, which, by the way, did very well. Special thank you to anyone that dropped down some feedback in the comment section in the last video. It's greatly appreciated, and I will invite you to do the same in this video too. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, of course, with any feedback, or if you enjoyed the video, just say it. I always appreciate the comments. And also turn on the notifications because every Sunday I will upload a new video. Well, though, let's get straight into it because today we will analyze day trading. So, what is day trading? Day trading is a form of speculation, so a way to make profit in simple word, in which a trader buys and sells a stock within the same trading day. So, before the market closes in the evening. This is a method which is very popular, especially now in more recent time with all the trading applications that you can find, also the ads on YouTube, etc. So I wanted to make a video on it. But what are its positives and what are its negatives? Well, let's go into it. Well, a positive is definitely the quick profit because day trading allows you to make profit, well, in the same day. And by day, I mean even in 2 or 3 hours, because you will buy and sell the stock very, very quickly in a short period of time. So this is definitely a profit, a positive. So also by doing this, you're avoiding the overnight risk. This means, maybe a news will come out about a political or economic aspect that was unexpected, which would affect the price of the stock. And with day trading, you are avoiding this risk because, of course, you are selling the stocks before the trading day ends. So there's no risk at all. For example, there could be a news that maybe a bank has collapsed, and maybe even though maybe it's not true or there's other things, that would definitely affect the price of stocks and the market in general. So this could not be positive if you maybe are holding a stock for a long period of time. With day trading, you do not have the risk because you would have already sold this. So even if the market changes, you are not losing money. Of course, though, there are some cons, which is important to take into consideration when you are choosing which trading method to apply for you personally. So one con is that it's extremely time consuming. Despite you are holding the stocks for a very short period of time, this is actually a full-time job because you need to research and analyze the graphs and trends of the specific stock that you're wanting to trade with. Then you also have to analyze the market in depth, even in what happened in the past and the other aspects, maybe in the real world too. You need to be very well informed. And you need to do this every single day because, of course, every day is something new happens. So you cannot just say, okay, I researched this yesterday or 2 days ago, it will stay the same. No, because this could lead you to lose your money. So as I said, it's very important to everyday research. And this is very time consuming, but if you want to trade with this method, you have to accept this. And also, it can be very easy to make losses because many people that are maybe new at trading, like myself, maybe look at day trading and see that it's actually the best way of to make money because it's very quick. However, as I said, day trading cannot be a hobby. It needs to be a full-time job because it's very easy to lose money and you have to do a lot of research. It's very important to research. If not, you will make losses because maybe you look at the pattern from the previous day and you say, oh, look, it's going to happen the same today, and then you lose money. You need to analyze a lot of what happened and the condition of the company or maybe the stock. So it's very important to take this very seriously and research in depth. So as you can see, well, before I show you my example, the last con is that usually the profits, they're not very big because, of course, you cannot expect to make the same profit in a day than somebody that trades in a year. Sometimes, in some occasion, when there's a case of high volatility of the market, it is possible that you make big profits. But as you know, the higher the risk, the higher the reward. So if you're looking for big profits, of course, you have to accept that you're risking a lot. And maybe even if you research in depth, something may happen that could ruin your investment. So as I said, the profits are not always very, very big, which is another con. However, they are quick. So as you know, pro and cons, we're just analyzing now. So as you can see here, I've actually gone and I want to show you this example from FIFA because, as I said, the market on FIFA is actually similar. So as you can see with this specific card or stock, the market it's very volatile. There are peaks and moments where it's very low. So, for example, here buying in a moment where it's very low now, if you can see this on the screen, could actually be profitable even after tasks. So let's say if I have a lot of money to invest, I might want to buy 5 or 10 of these cards or stocks, which in the real world is not a lot, but on FIFA it's a lot of cards. So maybe in the real world this could be 10,000, and sell this very quickly in 2 or 3 hours. As you can see, just 2 hours later, it has risen a lot. So yes, this is a perfect example to what day trading is. Buying and selling in a few hours so that you avoid the overnight risks and make quick profits. So yes, this is my example, but my opinion, well, in my opinion, day trading really has the potential, it's very fascinating. I really like this because it's very active, you need to be very active on the market. You need to research, constantly update yourself, and to make profits. But it's very important to know that this is not a hobby. This is a full-time job. Because as I read earlier, if you take this as a hobby, it's very easy to lose a lot of money, if not all your money, because you don't research to enough depth. It's very, very important to take this very seriously and constantly research. So if you want to just trade as a hobby, maybe this is not a method for you. But if you are very passionate and if you're willing to invest time on this method, I believe that you can make a lot of profits. And also it's very, if you have the passion, then yes, I will go ahead and suggest this in the future is a method which I really want to take in consideration, because maybe in the past it was not that easy to trade this quickly, but now thanks to the advancements of technology, the technology is constantly innovating, so it's very easy to buy and sell very quickly, especially on the computer. As long as you have a computer which can run the application smoothly and a quick Wi-Fi, you can actually trade very, very quickly. So right now this seems as a method which is actually increasing popularity, thanks of course to the technology. But as I said, this is a full-time job, and you actually need a lot of patience to research every single day. And of course you're going to spend a lot of time on the computer, maybe 8 hours in a row, so it's not for everyone. What I want to say is that maybe if you don't like this type of research, staying in front of the computer for so long, maybe this is not the method for you, which is okay. However, if you're very passionate, then I would strongly suggest this method, because you can make quick profits and sometimes even very big profits. And especially now, to conclude, where many say that there's a high market volatility, many they're scared of invest, but day traders actually take the risk, because now is the time where you can make more profits. So yes, I personally really like this method. However, as I said, there are pros and cons, just like with every trading method. We have now come to the conclusion. Let me know if you like this video. This is the first time that I will actually analyze the method, because earlier I just wanted to touch on different aspects. Anyway, drop any feedback. As I said earlier, drop any feedback in the comment section below. I always read the comments and I always appreciate the feedback. I hope that you are enjoying my series. Now we're at the third episode. And as I said, every Sunday there will be a new episode on the channel. So subscribe, like, and activate the notification bell. I would really appreciate that. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.